Ultra is a precision tool designed to go farther, higher, and deeper than any Apple Watch has before. And we've made our most rugged and capable Apple Watch even better. Today, we're introducing Apple Watch Ultra 2.
Ultra 2 gets the powerful new S9 SIP. That means you can use the new double tap gesture anytime your hands are full. Set a waypoint using just your voice with the new on-device Siri, even when you have no connectivity. And precision finding with the second generation ultra wideband chip helps you easily find your iPhone when you can't remember where it's stowed. Ultra 2 also has a new advanced display architecture that pushes the brightness to a massive 3000 nits. It's the brightest display Apple has ever created and makes Ultra 2 more readable in the harshest sunlight. And now night mode uses the ambient light sensor to activate automatically in the dark. Day or night, Ultra has so much to offer. And for runners, it's the perfect choice. With advanced metrics, a big brighter display, a customizable action button, and precision dual frequency GPS. And this year, watchOS 10 takes cycling to the next level, allowing you to connect Bluetooth accessories to measure cadence, speed, and power. Apple Watch also helps you get the most out of your training with power zones. And if you start a cycling workout on your watch, it automatically shows up as a live activity on your iPhone. Ultra 2 is designed for extremes and has been tested across the largest range of altitudes for any Apple product, from the lowest valleys to the highest peaks. Ultra is also great for your underwater adventures. The Depth app now saves a log of each session, so you can review your dives right on Ultra and in the fitness app on iPhone.
Even with all these new capabilities, Ultra 2 still gets the same great battery life. Up to 36 hours of typical use on a single charge, and up to 72 hours in low power mode. With Ultra 2, we are also continuing our commitment to the environment. In just 1 year, we significantly increased the amount of recycled content in the case, going from all virgin titanium to 95% recycled. This dramatic improvement in material, along with our work in clean electricity and transportation, allowed us to meet our ambitious carbon reduction targets, making any Ultra 2 paired with an Alpine Loop or Trail Loop carbon neutral. And this year, the Trail Loop and Alpine Loop and the Ocean Band come in a range of beautiful new colors. And that's the new Apple Watch Ultra 2. It comes with all the features users love about Ultra, plus the powerful S9 SIP, Apple's brightest display ever, an expanded altitude range, on-device Siri, and a brand new gesture for easy control of your watch. And Apple Watch Ultra 2 is $799. You can order the new Apple Watch models starting today, and they will be available on September 22nd.